Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Web Tech Tutorial. So in today's video, we are going to learn how we can download the app Tinder on our phone. So let's begin. But firstly, if you haven't subscribed our channel, then do subscribe and also press the bell icon so that you won't be missing any upcoming updates in the future. So firstly, in order to download the app, we firstly have to go on Play Store and we can simply click on the search icon and search for Tinder over here. And as you can see, this is the app Tinder which you are looking for, and you can install on. And as you all know, Tinder is an app where you can find a match and someone who you would like to be in a relationship with. And you can simply see that Tinder is being installing, and it will take a few seconds for it to be installed, so wait for a few seconds. And as you can see, the app has been downloaded, and you can simply open the app from here, or you can also go to Tinder from your home page as well. So thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, do like and subscribe to our channel.